how to download Zoom application. Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Zoom. And the first thing you're going to do is go to google.com and then you're going to search in Zoom Download Center. And as you can see here, we have this first link on our screen. We're simply going to click this first option and we would be redirected to this page over here. Now we're simply going to click on download and then we're going to click on save. And as you can see over here on the top right, Zoom installer is being installed. Now after installing Zoom, this is what you will be able to see. You could either join a meeting, sign up, or sign in. When you click on join a meeting, you would need to enter the meeting ID or a personal link name and then your username, and then you could have this different options such as remember my name for future meetings, don't connect to audio, turn off my video. And after doing this, you would be able to join on the specific meeting that you want. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.